Everyone needs a sweet treat once in a while, and today's is a caramel cookie bar. These gooey, chewy, and oh so delicious cookie bars are fantastic. Let's get baking. Measure out 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, then in a separate bowl 3/4 cup of light brown sugar, half a cup of sugar, 2 sticks of butter softened and whisk together. Then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla and mix. Gradually add the flour dry mixture to the wet mixture and combine gradually until fully together. Add 2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Then in a separate bowl, add 3 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream with 10 ounces of caramel candy. Microwave until softened, about 1 to 2 minutes, but keep an eye on it. Line a 9-inch baking pan with parchment paper, then add about half the cookie mixture and flatten out. Pour over the caramel sauce and spread. Then add the rest of the cookie mixture on top. Spread everything out and give a little swirl. We'll bake this for 30 minutes at 380 degrees Fahrenheit. And boom, we have caramel cookie bars. Yum. You can use a knife, of course, to cut these into chunks. Let's taste how they are. Their chewy, caramel packed flavor is so good, you'll want to give this a try. Here's the ingredients you'll need. If you enjoyed, be sure to like and subscribe, and let me know how it goes in the comments below.